Hi, I'm Russ. Today I'd like to talk to you about how to adjust your drawer fronts from side to side. Let's get started. Okay, when adjusting a drawer front on a cabinet, first of all it's really important to identify what kind of drawer box you have in the cabinet, how your drawer front attaches to it so you can make the necessary adjustments. So if I just open this drawer in this cabinet, I can see this drawer box has got metal sides to it. It's quite unique in that way to other drawer boxes, so it's very easy to identify. So before we make any adjustments, we're going to have a look at the front and find out what the issue is with the drawer front. If I crouch down here, I can see that my gap along here is good between the top drawer front and the door below, but I am seeing that my drawer front is not in line on the sides here and here. It's too far to the left. I estimate about 1/8 of an inch. So we'll go and adjust this front and move it over so it sits in the right location. So in order to do that, we have to open the drawer box. There is 2 plastic tabs on the side of the drawer box. You're going to need a little tool like this or a screwdriver just to pop these plastic tabs off. Just get it going at one end. You come off pretty easily. Just take them off. Don't worry about which way you took them off. They go back on in any orientation. Don't forget to do the other side. Okay. Now you're going to need a posi screwdriver to make the necessary adjustment to move this front independently from the drawer box to the right towards me. The adjustment that you want to adjust for side to side, the actual mechanism here is red, so it's pretty easy to identify. There is one on the right and one on the left hand side of the drawer box. You have 2 plastic cogs in here with a thread, and we have to adjust both of them. So they move like this and they move like that, which then moves the front from the left to right. You have to do both of them. So with me in this position, I'm going to be turning this red screw anti-clockwise to move it across, and then I'm going to be turning the other one clockwise to make this front move. So like that, or like that, depending on which way you want the front to go. Now I want my drawer front to move. So sometimes you have to just put your fingers on the side of the box, push a little bit on the side of the slides, close the drawer. And you can see we've moved a little bit, but still not quite enough. Okay, now you can see that my drawer front has moved across, but I've actually gone a little bit too far. So it really is trial and error. You just got to do a little bit at a time. Don't forget, if you're turning one clockwise, you turn the other one anti-clockwise and vice versa. So I've just turned this one clockwise, so I'm going to turn this one anti-clockwise. Okay. Okay, now I can see that the side of my drawer front is nicely in line with the side of my door on both sides. Our gap between still looks good. So open the drawer up, take your plastic clips. Like I say, it doesn't matter which way around you fit them. You just find the little tabs, line them up, clip them on. Don't forget to do the other side. Close the drawer. And that's how you adjust this type of drawer front on this drawer box from side to side.